In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new general ledger account in the Xero Chart of Accounts. We'll move through the process step by step so you can confidently set up a new account and keep your bookkeeping clean and accurate. Make sure you're already logged into your Xero organization before you start. First, from the main Xero homepage, you'll see the dashboard for your company. This is your starting point. From here, we want to access the Chart of Accounts, which is where all your general ledger accounts live. Look along the navigation menus and find the option that takes you to the Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. Once the Chart of Accounts page loads, you'll see a list of all the existing accounts your organization is currently using. To create a new one, look for the button or link labeled Add Account. It's usually positioned near the top of the page. Click Add Account to open up the account creation form. Now you'll be asked to select an account type. This is a crucial step because it determines how the account behaves in your reports and where it sits on your financial statements. Common types include assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Take a moment to think about what this new account will be used for. For example, in law, if it's for a new type of income, you'd choose a revenue account. If it's for a new kind of operating cost, you'd choose an expense account. Once you've decided, select the appropriate account type from the drop-down. Next, fill in the rest of the details needed for the account. This typically includes an account code, a name, and sometimes a description. Choose a code that fits into your existing numbering structure, so it's easy to find later. The account name should be clear and specific, like online advertising, rather than something vague. Use the description field to add extra context if needed, such as how and when this account should be used. Some versions of Xero may also ask if the account should be enabled for payments or if it's used for tracking specific items. Work through each field carefully so the setup is accurate. When you've entered everything, simply follow any on-screen prompts to review your choices. Double check that the account type, code, and name are correct, since changing these later can be more complicated. Once you're happy with the details, click Save. Your new general ledger account is now added to the Chart of Accounts and ready to use in your Xero transactions and reports.